the creative director of Design Africa and also the founder of the 50 Youth Digital Empowerment. We'll be running the 50 Youth Digital Empowerment, of which every candidate here will be learning web design. On the web design, you guys will be learning profile website, e-commerce website, and news blog website. And you guys will also be learning 3D animation design, motion graphic design, video editing on movie production, music video production, documentary production, digital marketing, and flying of drone. You learn how to do production design and how to produce a blockbuster movie. We also wrap it up with, we also learn the skills of learning AI and also using AI, how to use AI to sell books online, introduce it to Amazon and Google Play, where you can also generate funds for yourself. So this is the content of the training, and the training is going to last for 5 months. We'll be wrapping up in November, ending of this year. Youth are the future. Empowering the youth is the future. Now it's empowering every one of you, and we want you to excel. Going deeply to provide an Apple laptop is not easy. It has never been done even in the federal level. He is the first local government chairman in Nigeria. That means he cares for the people. He cares for the people of Oshimili South and wants them to go to the next step. Thank you very much.
Good morning, good afternoon. I want to sincerely, I think this is the first time in my life that I'm getting this kind of empowerment or this kind of teaching. Like you said, like some of the things I know we learn, some of what we don't learn in school. So I don't know how to really break, but I know in one way or the other, God bless you.
This is not just for formality. The most important thing is that all of us know why we are here. It's a big opportunity for you. But at this point, if you still think that it's not something you can do, just tell us now. Because by the end of the training, if you are not able to be properly certified, you are going to do every support. If you get to like one prize at a laptop, you will know how much they are selling. And nobody said after the training you should give us back. As long as you pass the training at least 95 to 99%, this laptop becomes yours. And most importantly for yourself is to devote all your time. It's just twice a week, but is to devote all your time just 2 times a week to learn whatever you have been taught. And if you go there and you think that it's a playful thing that you are not being taught the way he has explained it, you come back to me and tell me that chairman, we will tell you that you are not going there to be oppressed, you are going there to learn. And if the people he has put together to train you are being aggressive, or when you ask questions they are not able to respond, you go to him. If you see him, you have seen me, you go to him, tell us, chairman, these people, this one are so sharp. So you understand? This training is for you 100%. Anywhere you feel that it's difficult for you, speak up. Just wait, as soon as you come, you run to him and tell him. Unless that you have told him 1, 2, 3 times and there's no change there, you tell me. Okay? So please, I'm just begging you, let us be devoted about this training. Any issue you have, let us know. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
I got 3 buzzer for the capacity chairman. Buzzer!